Hello and welcome to the Peej's workshop. I was bored during quarantine, so I decided to do a thing. Took everything off the tabletop, buildings, track, all that, put a leaf in the table, making it longer. So I added a couple more straight pieces of track. And yeah, it's basically just a restart of the Paulville Grovemont, New Jersey. There it is, completed. New oval. Start there, Main Street. Then you got the switch there for the east yard. Added that little bit of straight. There's the curve. Back to Main Street. Then there's that straight piece, and then I was able to add this straight piece and off to the curve. And as you can see, holds a bit more on the straightaway, so it looks better while I film my favorite run-bys. Let's give it a little test here with this Bachmann. It's a very sensitive one. If there's a voltage drop or a dead spot, it finds it. Now I need to test some rolling stock. Most of these box cars are very sensitive to bad track, so get the rails. I know I got a problem I gotta fix. But honestly, so far, been running this around for a couple times now, and they barely wobble, so I think I might have improved. Hope so. And just for reference, see how much longer the straight is. So it'll look really good on camera. Well, that's all for me for now. Get back to work to rebuilding Paulville. See ya!